11. Remedies for ringworm. Ringworm is a very common fungal infection. Symptoms of ringworm include a red, scaly, circular patch on the skin or nails. There are some remedies to treat this fungal infection. Natural treatments can also be effective. Number 1. Apply a topical antifungal. Most cases of ringworm can be treated at home. Over-the-counter antifungals can kill the fungus and promote healing. After cleaning the rash, apply a thin layer of antifungal medication to the affected area 2 to 3 times per day or as directed by the package. Spread the treatment beyond the border of the rash. Number 2. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar has antifungal properties against fungal infection. Soak a cotton wool pad in the undiluted vinegar and wipe it on the affected area. Repeat up to 3 times daily. Number 3. Wash bedding daily. Ringworm is highly contagious. Wash your sheets daily to get rid of the infection faster. Fungal spores can transfer to your sheets and comforter. Use hot water and detergent when washing bedding and any infected clothes. Add borax or bleach to your wash along with regular laundry detergent. Number 4. Aloe Vera. Aloe vera contains 6 antiseptic agents that exhibit antifungal, antibacterial, and antiviral activities. Apply the gel from an aloe vera plant onto the ringworm patch 3 or 4 times daily. The gel also has cooling properties, so it may soothe itchy and swollen skin. Number 5. Change wet underwear and socks. If ringworm develops on your feet or groin area, keep these areas dry. If you sweat a lot during the day, bathe with an antifungal cleansing bar and then reapply your antifungal powder or lotion. Make sure the area is completely dry before putting on a new pair of underwear or socks. Number 6. Coconut oil. Coconut oil may kill fungal cells by damaging their cell membranes. Coconut oil may be an effective remedy for people with mild to moderate skin infections. Use it to treat ringworm by applying liquid coconut oil to the skin 3 times per day. Number 7. Garlic. Garlic is often used to treat infection. Make a paste of crushed garlic cloves by blending the garlic with some olive or coconut oil. Apply a thin layer of paste to the affected skin and cover with gauze. Leave in place for up to 2 hours before rinsing. Repeat twice daily until symptoms resolve. Number 8. Turmeric. Turmeric is a popular spice with anti-inflammatory properties. Combine fresh ground turmeric, or the turmeric spice, with a small amount of water and mix until it becomes a paste. Apply it to your skin and leave it on until it dries. You can also drink turmeric water or turmeric tea daily to get the internal benefits. Number 9. Use an antifungal shampoo. If you have ringworm on your scalp, wash your hair with an over-the-counter medicated antifungal shampoo. These shampoos kill bacteria and fungus on the scalp and stop inflammation. Search for shampoos with antifungal active ingredients. Number 10. Soapy water. To prevent ringworm from spreading or infecting other areas of the body, keep the skin as clean as possible. Rinse the infection with soap and warm water once or twice daily. Be sure to dry the skin fully, as fungus thrives in moist areas. Number 11. Oregano oil. Oregano essential oil may be a more powerful antifungal and can inhibit and treat fungal skin infections, including athlete's foot and ringworm. Mix a few drops with a carrier oil like olive or coconut oil, and apply it to the affected area 3 times per day. These remedies are simple and easy to apply. Try these remedies to get rid of ringworm.